In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove background in Photoroom. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can access Photoroom by visiting the official Photoroom website or by opening the desktop or mobile app. This feature is very useful for creating thumbnails, product photos, profile pictures, social media graphics, presentations, and other designs where you want the subject separated cleanly from the original background. To begin, select your picture by clicking on Insert and then choosing Select an Image. This will open your file so you can browse your computer and choose the exact image you want to edit. Once you select the photo, it will load directly into the workspace, and you should now see the original image with its existing background still visible. Depending on the photo, this could be an indoor background, an outdoor scene, a plain wall, or any other environment captured behind the subject. At this stage, make sure the correct image is loaded before continuing, because the background removal will apply to the active photo currently in the editor. Next, click on the Remove Background option. Once selected, Photoroom will begin automatically analyzing the image to detect the main subject and separate it from the background, using AI processing tools. The processing usually only takes a few moments, although more detailed images or complex backgrounds may take slightly longer to finish. Photos with clear lighting, good contrast, and a well-defined subject often produce the cleanest and most accurate results. Once the process is complete, the background should disappear automatically, leaving only the isolated subject visible in the workspace. In many cases, the removed background becomes transparent, which makes the image much easier to place onto other graphics, custom backgrounds, thumbnails, or promotional designs. This creates a much cleaner and more professional appearance without distracting elements behind the subject. You can also continue repositioning or adjusting the image afterward if needed. This method works especially well for portraits, product images, logos, and social media content because it speeds up the editing process while still producing polished results. And that is how to remove background in Photoroom quickly and easily using the built-in AI background removal feature.